Shenzhen Bright Glassware Company Limited was established in 2013. We specialize in high-quality glassware and accessories, such as candle holders, glass jar, candle lids, diffuser bottle, perfume bottle, drinking glass, and tea sets, etc. The products are widely used in candle daily life. We accept customer order with silkscreen, decal, or laser, plated, sprayed color, engrave, custom packaging, etc. We have professional team who focus on quality control and inspection and after-sales service. In order to supply the good products and services, we have built a modern quality management system which is in strict accordance with international standards. Bright Glassware Company Limited only supply quality products with efficient service. We are doing everything to offer our customers with good services and good products. The company keeps living up to belief of honest selling, good quality, people orientation, and benefits to customers. We promise that we will be responsible all the way to end once our services begin. Most of our models have gained international certification such as SGS, STQ, APT. We are always working to improve our existing products and create over 300 new models every year to satisfy with customers' request. We would like to provide you high-quality products at very reasonable price with our heart and soul service. We are looking forward to establishing long-term successful business relationships with our clients all around the world. Welcome to Inquiry. Welcome to Bright Glassware Company Limited.
Bright Glassware is a supplier of different stylish glassware, such as candle jar and glass bottles.
We can do OEM and ODM orders. You can send your ideas and your designs to us, then we can come true on the products.
Welcome to Bright Glassware.
Thank you.